A list of medical organization websites from Medlineplus in alphabetical order. Medlineplus.gov/organizations/all_organizations.html 1800runaway.org, National Runaway Safe Line. 4hcm.org, Hypertrophic Cardiomyopathy Association. AA.org, Alcoholics Anonymous. AA.org/pages/es_media=play Spanish. AAAAI.org/home, American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. AAAFoundation.org, AAA Foundation for Traffic Safety. AAC.org, Accreditation Association for Ambulatory Healthcare. AAAS.org, American Association for the Advancement of Science. AAB.org/pages/default.aspx, AABB. AACAP.org, American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry. AACC.org, American Association for Clinical Chemistry. AACD.com, American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry. AAS.com, American Association of Clinical Endocrinologists. AACN.NCHE.edu, American Association of Colleges of Nursing. AACN.org, American Association of Critical Care Nurses. AAD.org, American Academy of Dermatology. AADSM.org, American Academy of Dental Sleep Medicine. AAFA.org, Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. AAFPRS.org, American Academy of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. AAFS.org, American Academy of Forensic Sciences. AAGPOnline.org, American Association for Geriatric Psychiatry. ACM.org, American Academy of Home Care Medicine. AKS.org, American Association of Hip and Knee Surgeons. APM.org, American Academy of Hospice and Palliative Medicine. AAIDD.org, American Association on Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities. AIP.org, Association of American Indian Physicians. AAMC.org, Association of American Medical Colleges. AAMDS.org, Aplastic Anemia and MDS International Foundation. AAMFT.org/IMIS15/AAMFT, American Association for Marriage and Family Therapy. AAN.com, American Academy of Neurology. AANA.com/pages/default.aspx, American Association of Nurse Anesthetists. AANM.org/home, American Association of Neuromuscular and Electrodiagnostic Medicine. AANOS.org, American Academy of Neurological and Orthopedic Surgeons. AANS.org, American Association of Neurological Surgeons. AAO.org, American Academy of Ophthalmology. AAO.org/foundation, Foundation of the American Academy of Ophthalmology. AAOF.org, American Academy of Otolaryngologic Allergy. AAOHN.org, American Association of Occupational Health Nurses. AAOM.com, American Academy of Oral Medicine. AAOMS.org, American Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons. AAOP.org, American Academy of Optometry. AAOS.org/default.aspx?SSOPC=1, American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons. AAP.org/n-a/pages/default.aspx, American Academy of Pediatrics. AAPCC.org, American Association of Poison Control Centers. AAPD.org, American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry. AAPMR.org, American Academy of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. APOS.org, American Association for Pediatric Ophthalmology and Strabismus. AAPSM.org, American Academy of Podiatric Sports Medicine. AARC.org, American Association for Respiratory Care. AARDA.org, American Autoimmune Related Diseases Association. AASLD.org, American Association for the Study of Liver Diseases. AASMnet.org, American Academy of Sleep Medicine. AATB.org, American Association of Tissue Banks. abcop.org/pages/default.aspx, American Board for Certification in Orthotics and Prosthetics. abimfoundation.org, ABIM Foundation. abom.org, American Board of Obesity Medicine, ABOM. abp.org, American Board of Pediatrics. absurgery.org, American Board of Surgery. abtia.org, American Brain Tumor Association. acai.org, American College of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. acatoday.org, American Chiropractic Association. acceleratedcure.org/front, Accelerated Cure Project for Multiple Sclerosis. accessdashboard.gov, United States Access Board. ASPE.org, American College of Emergency Physicians. acf.hhs.gov, Administration for Children and Families. acf.hhs.gov/cb, Children's Bureau. acf.hhs.gov/FISB, Family and Youth Services Bureau. acf.hhs.gov/OCC, Office of Child Care. acfas.org, American College of Foot and Ankle Surgeons. ACHA.org, American College Health Association. ACHAHeart.org, Adult Congenital Heart Association. ACL.gov, Administration for Community Living. acl.gov/program/AD, Administration on Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities. acl.gov/program/NEDLRR, National Institute on Disability and Rehabilitation Research. acmt.net, American College of Medical Toxicology. acog.org, American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists. acponline.org, American College of Physicians. acr.org, American College of Radiology. acsm.org, American College of Sports Medicine. acgnetwork.org, AIDS Clinical Trials Group Network. ada.org/n, American Dental Association. ada.org, Anxiety and Depression Association of America. adea.org, American Dental Education Association. adha.org, American Dental Hygienists Association. adolescenthealth.org/home.aspx, Society for Adolescent Health and Medicine. adtia.org, American Dance Therapy Association. aesnet.org, American Epilepsy Society. afar.org, American Federation for Aging Research. afb.org/default.aspx, American Foundation for the Blind. agbell.org, Alexander Graham Bell Association for the Deaf and Hard of Hearing. agd.org, Academy of General Dentistry. agingstats.gov/index.html, Federal Interagency Forum on Aging-Related Statistics. aglp.org, Association of Gay and Lesbian Psychiatrists. agrability.org, Agrability Project. aha.org, American Hospital Association. aukencal.org/ncal/pages/index.aspx, National Center for Assisted Living. aukencal.org/pages/default.aspx, American Healthcare Association. ahima.org, American Health Information Management Association. ahns.info, American Head and Neck Society. ahrq.gov, Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality. ibs.org/home/index.html, American Institute of Biological Sciences. aicr.org, American Institute for Cancer Research. aids.gov, aids.gov. aidsinfo.nih.gov, AIDSinfo. AIDSinfonet.org, New Mexico AIDS InfoNet. AIDSinfonet.org/?lang=spot, Spanish. AIR.org/center/national-center-family-homelessness, National Center on Family Homelessness. AEM.org, American Institute of Ultrasound in Medicine. Al-anon.alateen.org, Al-anon/alateen. Al-anon.org/inicio, Spanish. ALDF.com, American Lyme Disease Foundation. Alpha.org/alpha/default.asp, Assisted Living Federation of America. Alpha1.org, Alpha 1 Foundation. Allportsiandirome.org, Allport Syndrome Foundation. ALSA.org, ALS Association. ALZ.org, Alzheimer's Association. ALZinfo.org, Fisher Center for Alzheimer's Research Foundation. alzonline.phhp.ufl.edu, ALTS Online. AMA-association.org/AMA, American Medical Association. AMD.org, Macular Degeneration Partnership. AmeriBurn.org, American Burn Association. AmericanGeriatrics.org, American Geriatrics Society. AmericanHeadacheSociety.org, American Headache Society. AmericanHospice.org, American Hospice Foundation. AmericanMigraineFoundation.org, American Migraine Foundation. AmericanPainSociety.org, American Pain Society. American-Rhinologic.org, American Rhinologic Society. AmericanTLM.org, American Telemedicine Association. AmericasBlood.org, America's Blood Centers. AMFAR.org, American Foundation for AIDS Research. AMNH.org, American Museum of Natural History. Amputee-Coalition.org, Amputee Coalition of America. Amputee-Coalition.org/Spanish, Spanish. AMSSM.org, American Medical Society for Sports Medicine. AMTMassage.org/index.html, American Massage Therapy Association. Amyloidosis.org, Amyloidosis Foundation. ANAUSA.org, Acoustic Neuroma Association. Angelman.org, Angelman Syndrome Foundation. AngiomaAlliance.org, Angioma Alliance. ANANurse.org, American Nephrology Nurses Association. AOA.gov, Administration on Aging. AOA.org/?SSO=Y, American Optometric Association. AOCD.org, American Osteopathic College of Dermatology. AOFAS.org/pages/home.aspx, American Orthopedic Foot and Ankle Society. AODIA.org, American Occupational Therapy Association. APA.org, American Psychological Association. AFA.org, American Public Health Association. APHAsia.org, National Aphasia Association. APHIS.usda.gov/APHIS/home, Department of Agriculture, Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service. APIHF.org, Asian and Pacific Islander American Health Forum. APIC.org, Association for Professionals in Infection Control and Epidemiology. APEMA.org, American Podiatric Medical Association. Apraxia-kids.org, Apraxia Kids. APTA.org, American Physical Therapy Association. ARBO.org, Association of Regulatory Boards of Optometry. ArmyMedicine.mil/pages/home.aspx, U.S. Army Medical Department. ARS.usda.gov, Agricultural Research Service. Arthritis.org, Arthritis Foundation. ArtTherapy.org, American Art Therapy Association. ASAHQ.org, American Society of Anesthesiologists. ASAP.org, American Syringomyelia and Chiari Alliance Project. ASBP.org, American Society of Bariatric Physicians. ASCCP.org/default.aspx, American Society for Colposcopy and Cervical Pathology. ASCO.org, American Society of Clinical Oncology. ASCP.org/content, American Society for Clinical Pathology. ASDS.net, American Society for Dermatologic Surgery. ASECO.org, American Society of Echocardiography. ASGCT.org, American Society of Gene and Cell Therapy. ASGE.org, American Society for Gastrointestinal Endoscopy. ASHA.org, American Speech Language Hearing Association. ASHG.org, American Society of Human Genetics. ASHP.org, American Society of Health System Pharmacists. ASHT.org, American Society of Hand Therapists. AskJan.org, Job Accommodation Network. ASLMS.org, American Society for Laser Medicine and Surgery. ASMBS.org, American Society for Metabolic and Bariatric Surgery. ASNC.org, American Society of Nuclear Cardiology. ASN-online.org, American Society of Nephrology. ASNR.org, American Society of Neuroradiology. ASOPRS.org/ifora/pages/index.cfm page ID =3504, American Society of Ophthalmic Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. ASPI.HHS.gov/office-disability-and-long-term-care-policy-dalt-CP, Office of Disability, Aging and Long-Term Care Policy. ASPHO.org, American Society of Pediatric Hematology/Oncology. ASBPH.org, Association of Schools and Programs of Public Health. ASRM.org///.ASPX, American Society for Reproductive Medicine. ASRT.org, American Society of Radiologic Technologists. ASH.org, American Society for Surgery of the Hand. Astro.org/home, American Society for Radiation Oncology. ATA.org, American Tinnitus Association. Ataxia.org, National Ataxia Foundation. Atra-online.com, American Therapeutic Recreation Association. ATSDR.cdc.gov, Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry. ATSDR.cdc.gov/es, Spanish. Audiology.org, American Academy of Audiology. AUGS.org, American Urogynecologic Society. Autism-society.org, Autism Society. AutismSpeaks.org, Autism Speaks. avma.org/pages/home.aspx, American Veterinary Medical Association. avrf.org, American Vitiligo Research Foundation. bafound.org, Brain Aneurysm Foundation. bbrfoundation.org, Brain and Behavior Research Foundation. bdsra.org, Batten Disease Support and Research Association. besets.com/site/c.8OJJRPSGCISF/B.9145371/K.BD9A/home.htm, American Besset's Disease Association. Betamatch.org, National Marrow Donor Program. bgca.org/pages/index.aspx, Boys and Girls Clubs of America. biausa.org, Brain Injury Association of America. birthcenteraccreditation.org, Commission for the Accreditation of Birth Centers. blindness.org, Foundation Fighting Blindness. bls.gov, Bureau of Labor Statistics. bnl.gov/world, Brookhaven National Laboratory. brainline.org, Brainline. braintumor.org, National Brain Tumor Society. brightfocus.org, Bright Focus Foundation. burninstitute.org, Burn Institute. caahep.org, Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs. cam.cancer.gov, Office of Cancer Complementary and Alternative Medicine. Canavanfoundation.org, Canavan Foundation. Cancer.gov, National Cancer Institute. Cancer.gov/Español, Spanish. Cancer.org, American Cancer Society. Canceradvocaki.org, National Coalition for Cancer Survivorship. Cancercare.org, Cancer Care. Canlive.org, Canlive, the Hepatobiliary Cancers Foundation. CAP.org, College of American Pathologists. CAPC.org, Center to Advance Palliative Care. Carcinoid.org, Carcinoid Cancer Foundation. Caregiver.org, Family Caregiver Alliance. Caregiveraction.org, Caregiver Action Network. Caresfoundation.org, Cares Foundation. CATA.gatech.edu, Center for Assistive Technology and Environmental Access. CBTF.org, Children's Brain Tumor Foundation. cc.nih.gov, National Institutes of Health, Clinical Center. ccakids.com, Children's Craniofacial Association. ccal.org, Consumer Coalition on Assisted Living. ccfa.org, Crohn's and Colitis Foundation of America. ccr.cancer.gov/neuro-oncology-branch, Neuro-Oncology Branch. cdc.gov, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. cdc.gov/Minority Health, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Office of Minority Health and Health Equity, OMHE. cdc.gov/NCEH, National Center for Environmental Health. cdc.gov/NCHS, National Center for Health Statistics. cdc.gov/NIOSH, National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. cdc.gov/Spanish, Spanish. cdc.gov/Spanish/NIOSH, Spanish. cdlsusa.org, Cornelia de Lange Syndrome Foundation. Census.gov, Bureau of the Census. cfah.org, Center for the Advancement of Health. cff.org, Cystic Fibrosis Foundation. chadd.org, Children and Adults with Attention Deficit/Hyperactivity Disorder. chaza.org, Children's Hemiplegia and Stroke Association. chchearing.org, Center for Hearing and Communication. chestnet.org, American College of Chest Physicians. chi.ucsf.edu, UCSF Center for HIV Information. childhelp.org, Child Help. Children's Cardiomyopathy.org, Children's Cardiomyopathy Foundation. Childstats.gov, Federal Interagency Forum on Child and Family Statistics. Chromodisorder.org, Chromosome Disorder Outreach. Cleftline.org, Cleft Palate Foundation. Cleftline.org/es/en-español, Spanish. CMS.gov, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. CNPP.usda.gov, Center for Nutrition Policy and Promotion. CNS.org, Congress of Neurological Surgeons. CommunityATCP.org, Ataxia-telangiectasia Children's Project. CompassionateFriends.org/home.aspx, Compassionate Friends. ConquerChiari.org/index.html, Conquer Chiari. ConsumerFinance.gov, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. CPDR.org, Center for Prostate Disease Research. CPSC.gov, Consumer Product Safety Commission. CRF.org, Cardiovascular Research Foundation. CSACeliacs.org, Celiac Support Association. CSRF.net, Cushing Support and Research Foundation. CSDSonline.org, Center for the Study of Traumatic Stress. CTF.org, Children's Tumor Foundation. CureFA.org/index.php, Friedreich's Ataxia Research Alliance. curemeso.org/site/c.diwijfnqkil8g/b.859853/k.d685/homepage.htm, Mesothelioma Applied Research Foundation. curesarcoma.org, Sarcoma Foundation of America. curesearch.org, Cure Search for Children's Cancer. curesma.org, Cure SMA. curethekids.org, Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation. cvsaonline.org, Cyclic Vomiting Syndrome Association. dbsalliance.org/site/pages/home, depression, and bipolar support alliance. deco.mil, Defense Centers of Excellence for Psychological Health and Traumatic Brain Injury. dea.gov/index.shtml, Drug Enforcement Administration. dhope.site-im.com, Directors of Health Promotion and Education. dhs.gov, Department of Homeland Security. Diabetes.org, American Diabetes Association. Diabeteseducator.org, American Association of Diabetes Educators. Diabetesresearch.org, Diabetes Research Institute Foundation. Diabetestrialnet.org, TriaLnet. Diversalertnetwork.org, Divers Alert Network. DNApolicy.org, Genetics and Public Policy Center. DOI.gov, Department of the Interior. DOL.gov, Department of Labor. DOL.gov/ODP, Office of Disability Employment Policy. DOL.gov/Vets, Veterans Employment and Training Service. DonateLife.net, Donate Life America. DrugAbuse.gov, National Institute on Drug Abuse. drugabuse.gov/es/n-español, Spanish. Drugfree.org, Partnership at drugfree.org. dsc.ucsf.edu, Disability Statistics Center. dvbic.deco.mil, Defense and Veterans Brain Injury Center. dyslexiaida.org, International Dyslexia Association. dystonia-foundation.org, Dystonia Medical Research Foundation. eapsa.org, American Pediatric Surgical Association. etrite.org, Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. ed.gov, Department of Education. ed.gov/about/offices/lists/osers/rsa/index.html, Rehabilitation Services Administration. Ehlers-Danlos.com, Ehlers-Danlos Society. Ehlers-Danlos-network.org, Ehlers-Danlos Syndrome Network CARES. emerald.tufts.edu/med/APUA, Alliance for the Prudent Use of Antibiotics. emphysemafoundation.org, National Emphysema Foundation. en.unesco.org, UNESCO. ena.org/pages/default.aspx, Emergency Nurses Association. endocrine.org, Endocrine Society. antnet.org, American Academy of Otolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery. epa.gov, Environmental Protection Agency. epa.gov/about epa/about-office-air-and-radiation-or, Environmental Protection Agency, Office of Air and Radiation. epilepsy.com, Epilepsy Foundation. es.medicare.gov, Spanish. español.arthritis.org/español, Spanish. español.epa.gov, Spanish. español.nines.nih.gov, Spanish. essentialtremor.org, International Essential Tremor Foundation. eyesurgeryeducation.org, Eye Surgery Education Council. facingdisability.com, facingdisability.com. facs.org, American College of Surgeons. familialdysautonomia.org, Dysautonomia Foundation. fanconi.org, Fanconi Anemia Research Fund. foscrs.org, American Society of Colon and Rectal Surgeons. fbi.gov, Federal Bureau of Investigation. FDA.gov, Food and Drug Administration. feast-ed.site-eam.com, FEAST. FEMA.gov, Federal Emergency Management Agency. FEMA.gov/ES, Spanish. FHI360.org, FHI360. FIC.nih.gov/pages/default.aspx, Fogarty International Center. FightBAC.org, Partnership for Food Safety Education. FightColoradoRectalCancer.org, Colorectal Cancer Coalition. FirstCandle.org, First Candle/SIDS Alliance. FirstSkinFoundation.org, Foundation for Ichthyosis and Related Skin Types. Fitness.gov, President's Council on Fitness, Sports, and Nutrition. FNS.USDA.gov, Food and Nutrition Service. FNS.USDA.gov/ES, Spanish. Foodallergy.org, Food Allergy Research and Education, FAIR. Foodsafety.gov, Foodsafety.gov. Foundation for PN.org, Foundation for Peripheral Neuropathy. FPG.unc.edu, FPG Child Development Institute. Fragilex.org, National Fragile X Foundation. Fraxa.org, Fraxa Research Foundation. FSHSociety.org, Facioscapulohumeral Muscular Dystrophy Society. FSIS.usda.gov/WPS/portal/FSIS/home, Department of Agriculture, Food Safety and Inspection Service. FSMB.org, Federation of State Medical Boards of the United States. FTC.gov, Federal Trade Commission. FTC.gov/ES, Spanish. Gallaudet.edu/clearc-center.html, Gallaudet University, Laurent Clerc National Deaf Education Center. Gastro.org, American Gastroenterological Association. gbs-sidp.org, gbs/CIDP Foundation International. genes-r-us.uthscsa.edu, National Newborn Screening and Genetics Resource Center. geneticalliance.org, Genetic Alliance. geneticdiseasefoundation.org, Genetic Disease Foundation. genome.gov, National Human Genome Research Institute. geron.org, Gerontological Society of America. ghsa.org, Governors Highway Safety Association. gi.org, American College of Gastroenterology. glaucoma.org, Glaucoma Research Foundation. glaucomafoundation.org, Glaucoma Foundation. glema.org, Gay and Lesbian Medical Association. globalchange.gov, U.S. Global Change Research Program. gluten.org, Gluten Intolerance Group. gmhfonline.org, Geriatric Mental Health Foundation. gotoapro.org, American College of Prosthodontists. gslcutah.org, Genetic Science Learning Center. handsurgery.org, American Association for Hand Surgery. hdAssociation.org, Hispanic Dental Association. hdsa.org, Huntington's Disease Society of America. headaches.org, National Headache Foundation. health.gov, Office of Disease Prevention and Health Promotion. health.gov/NHIC, National Health Information Center. healthcare.gov, healthcare.gov. healthinaging.org, AGS Foundation for Health in Aging. healthit.gov, healthit.gov. heart.org/heartorg, American Heart Association. hematology.org, American Society of Hematology. hepatitisfoundation.org, Hepatitis Foundation International. hepb.org, Hepatitis B Foundation. hfsa.org, Heart Failure Society of America. hhs.gov, Department of Health and Human Services. hhs.gov/NVPO, National Vaccine Program Office. hhs.gov/ocr/index.html, Department of Health and Human Services, Office for Civil Rights. hhs.gov/orp, Office for Human Research Protections. HispanicHealth.org, National Alliance for Hispanic Health. HON.ch, Health on the Net Foundation. Hormone.org, Hormone Health Network. HPNA.advancingexpertcare.org, Hospice and Palliative Nurses Association. HRSA.gov, Health Resources and Services Administration. HRSA.gov/about/organization/bureaus/BHW, Bureau of Health Workforce. HRSA.gov/rural health, Office of Rural Health Policy. HRSonline.org/patient-resources, Heart Rhythm Society. HSChealth.org/foundation, HSC Foundation. HSBH.harvard.edu, Harvard School of Public Health. ICHelp.org, Interstitial Cystitis Association. IDSociety.org/index.aspx, Infectious Diseases Society of America. IFFGD.org, International Foundation for Functional Gastrointestinal Disorders. IFRC.org, International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. IHRFoundation.org, Intracranial Hypertension Research Foundation. IHS.gov, Indian Health Service. Immunizationinfo.org, National Network for Immunization Information. Immunize.org, Immunization Action Coalition. Info4pi.org, Jeffrey Modale Foundation. Infocida.nih.gov, Spanish. Injuryfree.org, Injury Free Coalition for Kids. IOCDF.org, International OCD Foundation. IOFBoneHealth.org, International Osteoporosis Foundation. IRSA.org, International Radiosurgery Support Association. ISMP.org, Institute for Safe Medication Practices. ISMRM.org, International Society for Magnetic Resonance in Medicine. ISRS.AAO.org, International Society of Refractive Surgery of the American Academy of Ophthalmology. ISSCR.org, International Society for Stem Cell Research. ISTSES.org, International Society for Traumatic Stress Studies. ITNS.org, International Transplant Nurses Society. JDRF.org, JDRF. JewishGenetics.org/CJG/default.aspx, Norton and Elaine Sarnoff Center for Jewish Genetics. JointCommission.org, Joint Commission. Justice.gov, Department of Justice. Justice.gov/OVW, Department of Justice, Office on Violence Against Women. KennedysDisease.org, Kennedy's Disease Association. KesslerFoundation.org, Kessler Foundation Research Center. KFF.org, Henry J. Kaiser Family Foundation. Kidney.org, National Kidney Foundation. KidneyCancer.org, Kidney Cancer Association. KidneyFund.org, American Kidney Fund. KidsHealth.org, Kids Health. KidsWithFoodAllergies.org, Kids with Food Allergies. LBBC.org, Living Beyond Breast Cancer. LBDA.org, Lewy Body Dementia Association. LDAAmerica.org, Learning Disabilities Association of America. LifeOptions.org, Life Options Rehabilitation Program. LighthouseGuild.org, Lighthouse Guild. LiverFoundation.org, American Liver Foundation. Livestrong.org, Livestrong Foundation. LLLI.org, La Leche League International. LLS.org, Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. LPAOnline.org, Little People of America. Lung.org, American Lung Association. Lupus.org, Lupus Foundation of America. LupusNewYork.org, SLE. Lupus Foundation. LymphNet.org, National Lymphedemia Network. lymphoma.org/site/pp.asp?c=sign bklt kayak lmk8e ampersand b=6296735, Lymphoma Research Foundation. Macular.org, American Macular Degeneration Foundation. Madisonsfoundation.org, Madison's Foundation. Marchofdimes.org, March of Dimes Birth Defects Foundation. Marfan.org, Marfan Foundation. Marshfieldresearch.org/NCCROS, National Children's Center for Rural and Agricultural Health and Safety. Marshfieldresearch.org/NFMC, National Farm Medicine Center. Maxillofacialprosthetics.org, American Academy of Maxillofacial Prosthetics. mchb.hrsa.gov, Maternal and Child Health Bureau. mcoralhealth.org, National Maternal and Child Oral Health Resource Center. mda.org, Muscular Dystrophy Association. mdanderson.org, University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center. MealsOnWheelsAmerica.org, Meals on Wheels Association of America. Medicaid.gov, Medicaid.gov. Medicare.gov, Medicare. Medlineplus.gov/about/medlineplus.html, About Medlineplus. melanomainternational.org, Melanoma International Foundation. Menopause.org, North American Menopause Society. mhouse.org, Malignant Hyperthermia Association of the United States. michaeljfox.org, Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research. Midwife.org, American College of Nurse Midwives. Militaryfamily.org, National Military Family Association. minorityhealth.hhs.gov, Office of Minority Health. miracleflights.org, Miracle Flights. missingkids.org/home, National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. mlanet.org, Medical Library Association. mobiussyndrome.org, Mobius Syndrome Foundation. morrisanimalfoundation.org, Morris Animal Foundation. mother2baby.org, Mother to Baby. mpssociety.org, National MPS Society, Mucopolysaccharidosis. msif.org, Multiple Sclerosis International Federation. msud-support.org, MSUD Family Support Group. musictherapy.org, American Music Therapy Association. myst.org, American Society of Transplantation. myasthenia.org, Myasthenia Gravis Foundation of America. myelitis.org, Transverse Myelitis Association. myeloma.org, International Myeloma Foundation. mylifemismile.org, American Association of Orthodontists. myositis.org, Myositis Association of America. anfora.org, National Association of Area Agencies on Aging. naef.org, National Alopecia Areata Foundation. nacersano.marchofdimes.org, Spanish. nadza.org, National Adult Day Services Association. naec.org, National Association for the Education of Young Children. nafc.org, National Association for Continence. nal.usda.gov/ethnic, Food and Nutrition Information Center. NAMI.org, NAMI. napnap.org, National Association of Pediatric Nurse Practitioners. napsa-now.org, National Adult Protective Services Association. nasonline.org, National Academy of Sciences. naspag.org, North American Society for Pediatric and Adolescent Gynecology. nasbgon.org, North American Society for Pediatric Gastroenterology, Hepatology, and Nutrition. nasbonline.org, National Association of School Psychologists. nada.org, National Athletic Trainers Association. nationaldb.org, National Center on Deafblindness. nationaljewish.org, National Jewish Health. nationalmssociety.org, National Multiple Sclerosis Society. nationalregister.org, National Register of Health Service Providers in Psychology. NCAD.org, National Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence. ncats.nih.gov, National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences. ncbi.nlm.nih.gov, National Center for Biotechnology Information. nccom.org, National Certification Commission for Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine. nccih.nih.gov, National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health. ncd.gov, National Council on Disability. ncea.acl.gov, National Center on Elder Abuse. ncfh.org, National Center for Farm Worker Health. nchh.org, National Center for Healthy Housing. nchpad.org, National Center on Health, Physical Activity, and Disability. nchv.org, National Coalition for Homeless Veterans. ncoa.org, National Council on Aging. nctsn.org, National Child Traumatic Stress Network. ndss.org, National Down Syndrome Society. ndss.org/resources/ndss-n-español, Spanish. nei.nih.gov, National Eye Institute. namors.org/welcome.html, Namors Foundation. nagg.org, NERG Incorporated. netrf.org, Neuroendocrine Tumor Research Foundation. nevus.org, Nevis Outreach Incorporated. nfid.org, National Foundation for Infectious Diseases. nfpa.org, National Fire Protection Association. nhcaa.org, National Healthcare Anti-Fraud Association. nhfonline.org, National Hydrocephalus Foundation. nhlby.nih.gov, National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute. nhlby.nih.gov/about/org/ncsdr, National Center on Sleep Disorders Research. nhpco.org, National Hospice and Palliative Care Organization. nhtsa.gov, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. nia.nih.gov, National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/alzheimer/about-adear-center, about the ADEAR Center. nia.nih.gov/español, Spanish. nia.nih.gov, National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism. niaid.nih.gov, National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. neoms.nih.gov, National Institute of Arthritis and Musculoskeletal and Skin Diseases. neoms.nih.gov/health_info/bone, National Institutes of Health Osteoporosis and Related Bone Diseases National Resource Center. neoms.nih.gov/portal_n_español, Spanish. nibib.nih.gov, National Institute of Biomedical Imaging and Bioengineering. nichd.nih.gov/español/pages/default.aspx, Spanish. nichd.nih.gov/pages/index.aspx, National Institute of Child Health and Human Development. nidcd.nih.gov, National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders. nidcr.nih.gov, National Institute of Dental and Craniofacial Research. nidcr.nih.gov/español, Spanish. niddk.nih.gov, National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases. niddk.nih.gov/health-information/health-communication-program/win/pages/default.aspx, Weight Control Information Network. niddk.nih.gov/health-information/health-communication-program/ndep/pages/index.aspx, National Diabetes Education Program. niddk.nih.gov/health-information/health-communication-program/nkdep/pages/default.aspx, National Kidney Disease Education Program. NIHS.nih.gov, National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences. NIHS.nih.gov/health/side/teachers/edu Spanish. nigms.nih.gov/pages/default.aspx, National Institute of General Medical Sciences. nih.gov, National Institutes of Health. nimh.nih.gov/index.shtml, National Institute of Mental Health. nimhd.nih.gov, National Institute on Minority Health and Health Disparities. nines.nih.gov, National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke. ninar.nih.gov, National Institute of Nursing Research. nkcf.org, National Keratoconus Foundation. nlm.nih.gov, National Library of Medicine. nmna.org, National Medical Association. nnpdf.org, National Niemann-Pick Disease Foundation. nof.org, National Osteoporosis Foundation. nofas.org, National Organization on Fetal Alcohol Syndrome. nonf.org, National Osteonecrosis Foundation. npic.orst.edu, National Pesticide Information Center. npsf.org, National Patient Safety Foundation. nrc.gov, U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission. nrckids.org, National Resource Center for Health and Safety in Child Care and Early Education. nsc.org/pages/home.aspx, National Safety Council. nsgc.org, National Society of Genetic Counselors. ntp.nhs.nih.gov, National Toxicology Program. newcdf.org, National Urea Cycle Disorders Foundation. nursingworld.org, American Nurses Association. Nursing World. nutritioncare.org, American Society for Parenteral and Enteral Nutrition. nva.org, National Vulvodynia Association. oar.nih.gov, National Institutes of Health, Office of AIDS Research. ods.od.nih.gov, National Institutes of Health, Office of Dietary Supplements. ohf.org, Oxalosis and Hyperoxaluria Foundation. oie.int, World Organization for Animal Health. oif.org/site/pages/, Osteogenesis Imperfecta Foundation. oli.org, Oli Foundation. oncofertility.northwestern.edu, Oncofertility Consortium. ons.org, Oncology Nursing Society. opten.transplant.hrsa.gov, Organ Procurement and Transplantation Network. oralcancerfoundation.org, Oral Cancer Foundation. organdonor.gov/index.html, National Organ and Tissue Donation Initiative. orwh.od.nih.gov, National Institutes of Health, Office of Research on Women's Health. osha.gov, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. osha.gov/spanish/index.html, Spanish. osteopathic.org/pages/default.aspx, American Osteopathic Association. ovarian.org, National Ovarian Cancer Coalition. pao.org/hq, Pan American Health Organization. painconsortium.nih.gov, NIH Pain Consortium. painmed.org, American Academy of Pain Medicine. pancan.org, Pancreatic Cancer Action Network. pancreasfoundation.org, National Pancreas Foundation. parkinson.org, National Parkinson Foundation Incorporated. PatientAdvocate.org, Patient Advocate Foundation. pcf.org/site/c.lejrrf/b.5699537/k.bef4/home.htm, Prostate Cancer Foundation. pdf.org, Parkinson's Disease Foundation. pdhealth.mil, Department of Defense, Deployment Health Clinical Center. pens.org/pages/default.aspx, Pediatric Endocrinology Nurses Society. Perio.org, American Academy of Periodontology. Pharmacist.com, American Pharmacists Association. phassociation.org, Pulmonary Hypertension Association. phc.amd.army.mil/pages/default.aspx, U.S. Army Public Health Command. Phoenix-society.org, Phoenix Society for Burn Survivors. phrma.org, Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America. physicaliutre.org, Association of Academic Physiatrists. pkdcure.org, PKD Foundation. pkids.org, Parents of Kids with Infectious Diseases. pkunews.org, National PKU News. plasticsurgery.org, American Society of Plastic Surgeons. porphyriafoundation.com, American Porphyria Foundation. portal.hud.gov/hud portal/src=program_offices/healthy_homes, Department of Housing and Urban Development, Office of Lead Hazard Control and Healthy Homes. Postpartum.net, Postpartum Support International. Post-polio.org, Post-Polio Health International including International Ventilator Users Network. Practicalbioethics.org, Center for Practical Bioethics. PreventBlindness.org, Prevent Blindness America. PreventChildAbuse.org, Prevent Child Abuse America. PreventElderAbuse.org, National Committee for the Prevention of Elder Abuse. PrimaryImmune.org, Immune Deficiency Foundation. ProgeriaResearch.org, Progeria Research Foundation Incorporated. Proteus-syndrome.org, Proteus Syndrome Foundation. Psoriasis.org, National Psoriasis Foundation. PSP.org, Foundation for PSP/CBD and Related Brain Diseases. Psychiatry.org, American Psychiatric Association. PTSD.va.gov, National Center for PTSD. Pulmonaryfibrosis.org, Pulmonary Fibrosis Foundation. pva.org/site/c.agrk9 New Jersey LCJ2E/B.63054001/k.bcbb/home.htm, Paralyzed Veterans of America. pwsausa.org, Prader-Willi Syndrome Association. pxe.org, PXE International Incorporated. RAND.org, RAND Corporation. RareDiseases.info.nih.gov, Genetic and Rare Diseases Information Center. RareDiseasesNetwork.org, Rare Diseases Clinical Research Network. RealWarriors.net, Real Warriors Campaign. RedCross.org, American Red Cross. redcross.org/cruz-roja, Spanish. ReproDsurgery.org, Society of Reproductive Surgeons. RSNA.org, Rehabilitation Engineering and Assistive Technology Society of North America. RestoreZite.org, Eye Bank Association of America. RettSyndrome.org, International Rett Syndrome Foundation. ReyesSyndrome.org, National Rise Syndrome Foundation. Rheumatology.org, American College of Rheumatology. RLS.org, Restless Legs Syndrome Foundation. Rosacea.org, National Rosacea Society. RSDS.org, Reflex Sympathetic Dystrophy Syndrome Association of America. RSNA.org, Radiological Society of North America. RTOG.org, Radiation Therapy Oncology Group. RuralHealthInfo.org, Rural Health Information Hub. RuralHealthWeb.org, National Rural Health Association. RWJF.org, Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. SADS.org, Sudden Arrhythmia Death Syndromes, SADS, Foundation. SaveKids.org, Save Kids Worldwide. SAGES.org, Society of American Gastrointestinal and Endoscopic Surgeons. SambaHQ.org, Society for Ambulatory Anesthesia. SAMHSA.gov, Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. SART.org, Society for Assisted Reproductive Technology. SAVE.org, Suicide Awareness Voices of Education. SaveBabies.org, Save Babies Through Screening Foundation. SCAI.org/default.aspx, Society for Cardiovascular Angiography and Interventions. SCCM.org/pages/default.aspx, Society of Critical Care Medicine. Scholarblogs.emory.edu/scinfo, Sickle Cell Information Center. Scleroderma.org/site/pages/, Scleroderma Foundation. SFN.org, Society for Neuroscience. SGSonline.org, Society of Gynecologic Surgeons. SHWatchman-Diamond.org, Schwachman-Diamond Syndrome Foundation. SickleCellDisease.org, Sickle Cell Disease Association of America. SIDRAN.org, Sidran Institute. SIRWeb.org, Society of Interventional Radiology. SisterToSister.org, Sister to Sister, Everyone Has a Heart Foundation. Sjogrens.org, Sjogren Syndrome Foundation. SkinCancer.org, Skin Cancer Foundation. Sleepapnea.org, American Sleep Apnea Association. SleepAssociation.org, American Sleep Association. SleepFoundation.org, National Sleep Foundation. SLS.org, Society of Laparoendoscopic Surgeons. SMAFoundation.org, Spinal Muscular Atrophy Foundation. SMFM.org, Society for Maternal Fetal Medicine. SneezeOnline.org, Society of Neurointerventional Surgery. Socialworkers.org, National Association of Social Workers. SOCREI.org, Society for Reproductive Endocrinology and Infertility. SpinaBifida Spina Bifida Association of America. Spine.org, North American Spine Society. SPONdylitis.org, Spondylitis Association of America. Sportsmed.org/AusSmemes, American Orthopedic Society for Sports Medicine. SRFcure.org, Scleroderma Research Foundation. SRS.org, Scoliosis Research Society. SSA.gov, Social Security Administration. StopSarcoidosis.org, Foundation for Sarcoidosis Research. StopTheClot.org, National Blood Clot Alliance. Stroke.org, National Stroke Association. StrokeAssociation.org/index_stroke.html, American Stroke Association. STS.org, Society of Thoracic Surgeons. StutteringHelp.org, Stuttering Foundation of America. StutteringsPECIalists.org, Specialty Board on Fluency Disorders. Suicidology.org, American Association of Suicidology. SurgeonGeneral.gov/index.html, Surgeon General. TAalliance.org, Technical Assistance Alliance for Parent Centers. TarteMUDES.org, Spanish. TBAlliance.org, Global Alliance for Tuberculosis Drug Development. TChin.org, Congenital Heart Information Network. TCRC.acer.org, Testicular Cancer Resource Center. TexasHeart.org, Texas Heart Institute. THALassemia.org, Cooley's Anemia Foundation. TheaCPA.org, American Chronic Pain Association. TheHastingsCenter.org, Hastings Center. TheMemRF.org, Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation. TheNationalCampaign.org, National Campaign to Prevent Teen and Unplanned Pregnancy. ThinkFirst.org, Think First National Injury Prevention Foundation. Thoracic.org, American Thoracic Society. Thyroid.org, American Thyroid Association. TobaccoFreeKids.org, Campaign for Tobacco-Free Kids. Torticollis.org, National Spasmodic Torticollis Association. Tourette.org, Tourette Association of America. ToxedFoundation.org, Toxicology Education Foundation. Transportation.gov, Department of Transportation. Tricare.mil, Tricare, Military Health System. TSA.gov, Transportation Security Administration. TSAlliance.org, Tuberous Sclerosis Alliance. TurnerSyndrome.org, Turner Syndrome Society of the United States. uab.edu/medicine/sci, Spinal Cord Injury Model System Information Network. ucp.org, United Cerebral Palsy. ulf.org, United Leukodystrophy Foundation. umdf.org/site/c.8QKOJ0MVF7lug/B.7929671/K.BDF0/home.htm, United Mitochondrial Disease Foundation. unicef.org, UNICEF. unos.org, United Network for Organ Sharing. usa.childcareaware.org, Child Care Aware. usada.org, U.S. Anti-Doping Agency. USAID.gov, United States Agency for International Development. USAMRIID.Army.mil, U.S. Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases. USBJD.org, United States Bone and Joint Decade. USCGBoating.org, U.S. Coast Guard, Office of Boating Safety. USCIS.gov, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. USDA.gov/WPS/portal/USDA/USDA, Department of Agriculture. USFA.FEMA.gov, United States Fire Administration. USGS.gov, U.S. Geological Survey. USICH.gov, United States Interagency Council on Homelessness. USP.org, United States Pharmacopeal Convention. US Preventive Services Task Force.org, U.S. Preventive Services Task Force. UEX.edu, University of Wisconsin, Extension. VA.gov, Department of Veterans Affairs. VA.gov/WomenVet, Center for Women Veterans. VascularCures.org, Vascular Cures. VascularDisease.org, Vascular Disease Foundation. VascularMed.org, Society for Vascular Medicine. VasculitisFoundation.org, Vasculitis Foundation. Vestibular.org, Vestibular Disorders Association. Veterans.house.gov, House Committee on Veterans Affairs. VHL.org, VHL Alliance. VirtualPediatricHospital.org, Virtual Pediatric Hospital. Weather.gov, National Weather Service. WeStutter.org, National Stuttering Association. WheelchairNet.org, WheelchairNet. WhiteHouse.gov, White House. WhiteHouse.gov/OnCP, Office of National Drug Control Policy. WHO.in/N, World Health Organization. WilsonsDisease.org, Wilson's Disease Association International. womenshealth.gov/Español, Spanish. womenshealth.gov/index.php, womenshealth.gov. womensheart.org, Women's Heart Foundation. Komen.org, Susan G. Komen for the Cure. rsms.miami.edu/group/o, Oceans and Human Health Center. 0to3.org, 0to3, National Center for Infants, Toddlers, and Families.